Want the best stand mixer without wasting money on the wrong one? I ranked 5 popular options from weakest to best, and the differences are bigger than the spec sheets make them look. In last place, we have the Mini Angel. It is the smallest and lightest option in this group, and on paper it looks friendly for casual baking, but it also gives you the least headroom for tougher jobs. For simple cake batter, whipped cream, and lighter cookie mixes, it checks the basic boxes with a 5-quart bowl and 10 speeds. Compared with the bigger VIVOHOME and Honinst models, though, the lower 380-watt motor and lighter body suggest less confidence once recipes get thicker and heavier. The biggest drawback here is value against the competition. When other mixers in this lineup offer 650 to 660-watt motors and larger bowls, this one feels more like a starter machine than a long-term baking partner. I would look at this one only if you bake lightly, need something compact, and care more about saving space than mixing power. And yes, links to all the mixers in this review at the best price are waiting in the description under the video. Next up is the CUSIMAX, and it takes a step forward with more power and a useful timer. It lands above the Mini Angel because it looks better suited for regular home baking, even if it still feels more budget-focused than the top picks. The strongest selling point is the feature set. You get a 650-watt motor, 8 speeds, a 15-minute timer, a 5-quart bowl, and the usual hook, whisk, and beater setup, which makes it more versatile than the Mini Angel for dose and repeat recipes. Still, it stays below the larger VIVOHOME and Honinst mixers because they pair similar power with more bowl capacity, and below KitchenAid because KitchenAid has official attachment support plus stronger independent test coverage. This one makes sense for shoppers who want a budget mixer with a timer and better than basic power, but not necessarily a premium ecosystem. And before we move on, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next comparison. In the middle of the ranking sits the VIVOHOME. This is where the list starts to feel more serious because now you're getting a family-size bowl and enough claimed power to take on heavier mixes with more confidence. It offers a 660-watt motor, 10 speeds, planetary mixing, and a 6-quart bowl that the listing says can handle up to 3 loaves of bread, or 2.2 pounds of flour. Compared with the CUSIMAX, that extra capacity makes it more appealing for bigger batches. What keeps it out of the top 2 is trust and refinement. Honinst adds a larger 6.5-quart bowl, plus claimed low noise and overload protection features, while KitchenAid has proven testing and a much stronger long-term reputation. Pick this one if you want stronger batch capacity without jumping straight into a premium brand. It is a solid fit for home bakers making bread, cookies, and weekend dessert batches, and our runner-up adds a little more polish. In second place, the Honinst gives you the most generous spec sheet among the budget-style mixers in this lineup. It edges past VIVOHOME because it keeps the same claimed 660 watts power, then adds a bigger bowl and a few convenience touches that make daily use feel easier. The big highlights are the 6.5-quart bowl, 10 speeds, splash guard, tilt head design, anti-slip feet, and claimed low noise operation under 60 decibels. On paper, that makes it the most feature-rich of the non-KitchenAid options here. The reason it stops at number 2 is simple. Most of its strengths come from brand and retail claims, while KitchenAid also brings official accessory compatibility, durability messaging, and independent testing that confirms reliable real-world performance. This is the smart pick for someone who wants the biggest bowl and strongest paper value in this group. But if you want the safest overall buy, the top spot still belongs to the classic name everybody knows. At number 1, the KitchenAid takes it. It does not win with the biggest bowl or the highest wattage, but this is a perfect example of why numbers alone do not tell the whole story. KitchenAid says it is built to last, and independent testing backs up that it delivers reliable whipping, beating, and competent kneading for normal home baking. Serious Eats also calls it the brand's most affordable stand mixer, which helps explain why it stays so popular. It is not perfect. The 4.5 quart bowl is smaller than several rivals here. The bowl has no handle, and both Serious Eats and Tech Gear Lab note that dense dough can make the motor work hard. Even with that, this is the one I would trust most for a typical home kitchen, because it balances performance, usability, support, and long-term confidence better than the rest. For casual to moderately serious bakers, it is still the best overall choice in this lineup. Check out the top mixers using the links in the description under the video. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product rankings.